Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you the best AI powered Chrome extension in 2025. So let's get started. Go to Chrome browser, select your profile. Now you have to type Chrome Store, make a search, open the Chrome Web Store website. Now I will show you the brief explanation of AI in Chrome extensions, how they automate tasks, enhance efficiency and personalize experiences. So for the first on our list is ChatGPT. I know everyone knows about ChatGPT. Click on here, ChatGPT for Google, make to add to Chrome. It will help you to how it provides instant AI responses on any website. It will help you to summarizing articles, generating replies and answering coding questions. Now moving to our second is Grammarly AI. This is the Grammarly AI writing. It's AI powered writing assistant for grammar clarity and tone, and it will help you to correcting emails, blog posts and social media captions. Now moving to our third one is YouTube summary AI with Gemini. It will summarize YouTube videos using ChatGPT, as well as it will quickly extracting key points from long videos. So you can quickly get summary in any language, and you can get the latest news. To add to your Google Chrome browser, just click on here, add to Chrome, and it will get added to your Chrome browser. Now the next one is Perplexity AI. AI search engine providing contextual answer with sources. It will help you to replacing traditional Google search with smarter AI insights. To add into your Chrome, just go to add to Chrome and it will get added. And that's it guys. Now you know how the best AI powered extensions for Google Chrome. I hope you like the video. Try it and comment down on the video, and don't forget to like and subscribe the channel. I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.